Hello YouTube. Today I have an unboxing for you of my new LED party light. Let's just get this thing open. Oops. Okay, it's got this little bracket that mounts to hold the light. These are the nuts to hold the bracket. Okay. And there it is. Okay. Let's just go ahead and put this bracket on there. So the bracket goes on just like this. And this side. And with this bracket, you can angle it any way you want. All right, I'm going to hook this up and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I've got the two lights hooked up and let's see what it looks like to music. There you have it, YouTube. Please like and subscribe.